This one is an Abney level for measuring vertical angles. It is a surveying equipment. We measure angles of elevation and angles of depression. We do that because we want to determine the height of a building or some other tall object. The Abney level has the following parts. It has spirit level. There's a bubble here. It has a protractor, this part, and on this protractor at the bottom we have 0. Now on this side of the protractor we have angles from 0 to 90 degrees. That is the angles of depression. And on this other side, on the left hand side, we have angles from 0 to 90 degrees for the angles of elevation. There is a vernier scale with this magnifying glass which you can use to take a reading. Now it has also this tube with an aperture here. So when you take a reading, you sight on the object through the aperture like that. Now when you sight through the aperture to the object, you are supposed to see this bubble cut by this line. That's when you take a reading. For example, right now, the equipment is horizontal, so the angle is 0. Now when I sight through this aperture, I'm supposed to see this bubble on this other side like that, cut by that line. Now let's say I want to take a reading on the top of a tree or a building. So I put the aperture near the eye and lift the equipment to that object I'm sighting to. Now I'm not able to see the bubble because I've raised that equipment through some angle. So what I need to do, I turn the knob like that until I see the bubble cut by the line. When I see the bubble, I stop. Then, as you can see, that vernier scale does not coincide with 0 anymore. There has been a deflection when I was making an observation. So that's the angle that I need to read. So I can use the magnifying glass and the vernier scale to read that angle of elevation. So in short, that's how we are able to use this equipment, the Abney level, to measure angles of elevation or angles of depression. Thank you.